How to install a WordPress theme, easy tutorial. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing day. I bring you back with yet another WordPress tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you and teaching you how you can add your very own themes to your different pages or to your WordPress domains or sites. So we're just going to be going through all the details. I'm going to take you through all of it, and it's going to be very simple and very easy. I'm going to discuss the basics of how WordPress works. I'm going to sign you up with it, and after that I'm going to show you different themes, what theme suits best, and how you can work around with themes. So yeah, let's just get into it. Now, first of all, obviously we're going to need to familiarize ourselves with WordPress. So what is WordPress? WordPress.com is obviously one of the leading and greatest e-commerce websites, and you can create your very own website or blog for your marketing or your different e-commerce or whatever you like. So obviously, just to get right into it, we're gonna go on get started. And yeah, what you're gonna do right now is just sit back, relax, and watch this video till the end, and just listen and commit to every step I show you, because every step is very crucial, and by the end of this video you're gonna properly know how to add a theme to your WordPress. So obviously, first of all, you're gonna want to sign in with your WordPress. So obviously you're going to put in your proper email address, your username, and your password. I'm just going to use a temporary email for now, so I'm just going to go an email address, add on this. Just use any username, to be honest, it doesn't really matter. Then create a password. There we go. Then you create an account. Now we're just going to wait for it to load up. Here we go. So choose a domain. Now you can just name any domain, but if you want a proper domain, for example, let's say Lakefield. If I want to name my domain lakefield.com or lakefield.org, look at that. We're going to have to pay $19 per year. But obviously it's free for the first year, and we can have all these lakefield.blog, lakefield.org, whatever we'd like. But obviously we're going to have to pay for these. If you want a free domain, you're going to have to choose this one. I know it's not the most appealing, but this is what you're going to get for free. So you can either go and select with this and get started right away, or you can just choose your domain later if you want to. So I'm just going to click on this and get right into it. Now what's going to happen is it's going to take you to plans. Now obviously it's an e-commerce website. An e-commerce website doesn't work for free, because obviously it gives you all these amazing features and allows you to make your very own website as a blank canvas. So it has its personal, premium, business, and e-commerce plans. And these plans are obviously, they come with different features, and you can just go ahead and check these out if you want to. You can pay right now if you want to, but if you don't and you want to dabble around, you can just go and click on start with a free site, and that's what I'm going to do right now. So now I've clicked on start with a free site. I'm going to wait for it to load up. Now what's going to happen is it's going to start setting us up. So it's going to ask us, what are your goals? So obviously we're going to tell them our goals. You can tell them if you want to, or you can just skip to dashboard. I'm just going to skip to dashboard. What setting up the goals does is it gives them an overview of what you really do, and it gives you preferences and creates a page for you according to that. Now obviously I did skip to dashboard. If you want to just do the setting up, you can do that if you like. So once you're here, this is the main overview of your WordPress dashboard, and this is where you're going to be doing all of the magic. This is where you're going to create everything. Now obviously if you're not familiarized with this, I recommend that you go and check out a video I have on my channel where I have explained the whole overview of the WordPress dashboard, and just make sure to check that out. And once you're familiarized with it, you can come back here, and from there on out you can watch the rest of this. So now what you're going to do is, obviously you have this left dashboard where you have all the features of your WooCommerce page. Now what you're going to do is we're going to go down to pages, and we're going to click add new page. Now once we click on add new page, it's going to give us tons of different templates. We're just going to wait for it to load up, and you're going to see many different templates to create your pages if you like. So we're just going to wait for it to load up really quick. Here we go. So these are tons of different templates that WordPress provides you with. You can use these if you want to, or you can just start with your very own blank page. Now obviously I'm just going to use a template for now, and I'm just going to go ahead and publish it really quick. Now you can edit this if you like. I just published it because for the video purposes. And once you publish it, edit it, you have the link. So you can just copy this link. If we go ahead and paste it in a new tab, we're going to wait for it to load up. And here you go. This is what your link is going to lead to. So now what you're going to do is you're going to come here. You're going to go back to your dashboard. Now, once you're in the dashboard, you're going to add your posts. Now, to add your posts, you're going to go to posts in your left dashboard, and you're going to click on add new post. Now, once you click on add new post, again, it's going to take a while loading. It takes like a few seconds. And once it loads out, what you're going to want to do is you're going to start creating your very own post like you do on blogger.com or any other post platform. So I'm just going to write, let's say, e-commerce. I'm going to write here, I like online marketing. I'm just going to write that randomly, and you can play around with the text if you want to bold it or not. You can play around, and then what you're going to do is you're going to click on publish. And once you click on publish, I'm just going to wait for it to load up, and I'm going to show you what that will do. There we go. E-commerce is now live. So I'm just going to go and reload this page. And once I reload this page, obviously we're not going to see it now. It just takes a bit to process. Now, well, it's going to take its time to load. When it takes its time to load and it's done, what it's going to do is this post that we made, we're going to see it on our page. Look at that. You're going to see it just like this on your website. So once you've made your page and you've made your posts, and this is just a side information, if you want to add different types of media, for example, pictures, documents, videos, audios, you can add it through here. I'm not a big fan of it, but you can if you want to. And once you've done all that, created your pages, posts, added media if you wanted to, now what you're going to want to do is you're going to come down here and you're going to see appearances, and you're going to click on that. Now, once you click on appearances, we're going to see our themes. So these are the themes, and this is the main topic of the video. And in these, as these themes, you can just choose any single one of them if you like. Now, obviously, if you are on a free platform, what you're going to do is you're going to check for these stars. So you're going to see these stars, and the stars are probably connected to some type of plan that you can't use for the free. The ones where you don't have a star, you can just go and click on them like I just did. And you're going to go ahead and choose a design you like. Now, if you like this design or theme, what you're going to do is you're going to click on activate this design, and you're going to click on, it's going to show you a preview of how it's going to look. So as you can see, I wrote e-commerce, I like online marketing, and this is how it's going to look like. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click on activate Masu, and it will start activating, and there you go. It starts activated it. So I'm just going to go and click on view site, and this is how my site's going to look, and look how better that looks. So yeah, that's how you add themes, but the problem in these themes are that they don't have a lot, and if you want to show more things like banners or different things, you're just going to want to add more plugins. Now, if we talk about what's the best theme that WordPress provides you with, then we're just going to go back on these themes, and up here, you're going to write Astra. And once you write Astra, you're going to click on it, and there you go. This is the best theme. It's provided by WordPress, and you can just access it. Obviously, it's a business plan. You have to pay for it, but let me tell you, this is the best theme because it provides us with all these different templates, and it gives us all the features that you don't need a plugin for. So once you've done all that, we're just going to add it the way I added this one. What that's going to do is it's going to implement it there. And don't worry, once you've added it, you still have room to change it, because what you're going to do, it's not as if it's going to implement it totally and you're not going to have to change it. You will. If you don't like a few tweaks, you can change it out if you want to. And how you're going to do that, you're just going to go on pages. Once you're on pages, you're going to click on your page, or you can just go here and you can edit it. And once you edit it, you can play around with the colors and whatever you like. With that, you can make your very own themes, or you can play around with the themes you added. Yeah, so basically that's how easy it is to add your very own themes. And if you have any issues or queries, let me know. But yeah, that was simple, and I hope you liked it. So yeah, that's all from me, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.